Alright, so right now we are starting the video on Trafalgar Road. We're also looking at the Spanish Court Hotel in front of me. And then we're alongside the British High Commission right here on Trafalgar Road. So that's where we're starting the journey from today. So if you're new to the channel, you must know that you wanna join one of the best channels out there, and this is one of the best Jamaican channels. And I am Rush, Discover Boss. So feel free to subscribe and join the family. Join the channel, just turn that red subscribe button gray and be a part of the channel so you don't miss anything. On the right is the UCC group, University. It's a university over that complex. Very big complex they have as well. And it's the University of the Commonwealth Caribbean, UCC. Guys, remember to like the video as well. Liking helps to spread the video. Remember to leave a comment for sure and share the video so somebody else that can find some value from the video will really appreciate it. So we are on Trafalgar Road heading to the direction of Crossroads, Kingston, Jamaica. So guys, I know you're seeing a lot more driving video, but that's really due to some of the COVID lockdowns. Okay, you know, once the country is locked down, whether I am in central industry or not, and I can't really go out making certain type of videos. So what I do is whenever I'm on the road, you know, I bring you guys along with me so you guys can, you know, be a part of my daily commute. And that's what I'm doing today. So Lady Musgrave Road, a lot of different businesses are on these road. Corporate companies, Kerimed head office. You have some apartments, you have gym, restaurants, office complexes. You know, so very good array of businesses on Lady Musgrave. Kris and Charles Investment Limited has partnered with the channel Raymore Reviews, so you guys definitely show them some support. They're also having a promotion right now. So this is the promotion. It's the feel free promotion. Borrow up to $1 million and pay less than $20,000 monthly. So the promotion runs until the end of April 2021, so you guys definitely check them out. And you can even WhatsApp them to 838-9028. So check them out, guys. Kris and Charles Investment Company Limited partnered with the channel, so show them some support. And again, we're heading in the direction of Crossroads. We started out the video right outside of the British High Commission. So guys, stay tuned. We have Kensington Crescent on the right here. Again, this road has a mixture of apartments, offices, corporate headquarters. So it's one of those very central and main roads in Kingston. Alright guys, so continue to enjoy the drive while we get closer to Crossroads. So that's where we're heading on Oxford Road. So I'm just taking you guys along with me. just passed another university on the right, International University of the Caribbean. A few car marts on these roads as well. And then those multi-level buildings you're looking at is the NCB Towers. So we have different offices on the building as well. We have police headquarters up there, BPO, NCB offices. So a lot of different companies have different floors that they would have rented out. That building also have a helicopter landing area. And the chairman for NCB, Michael Leachin, usually lands his helicopter up there on top of the NCB Towers. Alright, so closer to Crossroad, but we're gonna take the right onto Oxford Road. The left brings you around to South Camp Road, and straight ahead brings you into Crossroad. So it's around midday, so the traffic on the road is a lot more. Alright, so straight ahead is Crossroads, and we're taking the right onto Oxford Road. Again, another very popular road in Kingston. You know, more corporate companies, banks, car marts. So it has ATL Automotive, which has Kia, Audi, and VW. And then beside that, then Hyundai is also making up a facility as well. So ATL is right on the left, which we're passing right now. And then the Hyundai facility is under construction. I need to do an update on it soon. But I guess when I'm doing that update, I want to incorporate some drone shots. So I guess that's one of the reasons I haven't done it yet. Other offices include Artrus NTA, Edward Tiaga Building. We have a Jamaica National Group, corporate offices. We also have NCB. So a very good mixture of businesses. And again, coming up on the left now is the Hyundai new dealership coming to compete with ATL. Planning Institute of Jamaica on the right. So as I said, a mixture of offices, car marts, multi-level facilities. Alright, so from Oxford Road we're gonna head around to Knutsford Boulevard, because where I'm heading back is in New Kingston. So that's where we're heading back, guys. So we're gonna be passing the Emancipation Park shortly. It's gonna be on the left, and then Pegasus will be on the right. So that's the Emancipation Park on the left. I've done multiple videos over there, so you guys can check that out. And then we have on the right is the Pegasus Hotel. And then a little traffic to get back in New Kingston. And then we have Courtly Hotel and Suites. Not the one we're looking at, but this one to this side. Yeah, so that's the Courtly Hotel and Suites, but the one directly in front of us, the taller one, it's been renovated. millions of dollars. There's no work happening now, so they have paused a bit. I know COVID would have impacted that as well. So they're renovating the main structure that we're seeing, and then they're also building some multi what's those room called again? So I'll tell you guys, for some reason it slipped me just now. Conference room, sorry. So they're building a lot of conference room around the back. So we know that this hotel was destroyed due to fire, and now they're finally renovating and expanding. They should have been finished already, but you know, in construction and with COVID, you know, things changes and things get delayed. Alright guys, so I really appreciate you guys clicking on this video. I appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate all the support. And you guys just remember to subscribe if you're new. If that subscribe button is still red, turn it gray. Remember to comment. Remember to like. And remember to share as well. So back in New Kingston, I'll be going on Trinidad Terrace. And thanks for watching, guys.